I'm Angela Pallesi. I am a breast surgical oncologist and breast health specialist, as well as a general surgeon here at Community Medical Center, and I practice over at Community Cancer Care and Prevention Clinic. My main job is really to take care of anybody with a breast health issue. That's basically all ages, all genders, but anybody that has a breast health issue, and that could be anything from as simple as pain, a small infection, or something more serious like a cancer or a mass that hasn't been diagnosed yet. The most important thing to me is I want to treat my patients the way I would want to be treated as a patient myself. And particularly, I see providers and doctors as a resource, and therefore, I want to be an open book for patients. So when they come in to see me, I want to give them as much information as they can possibly handle during that visit, and make sure that they're making the best decision for themselves for their own health care. For patients who are, they don't know if they should see a doctor or not, I think, again, I'm a resource. I'm an open book. You're coming to me to just get answers for your own health care. Just because you're seeing a surgeon doesn't mean that I'm going to prescribe surgery for you or even give you medications for a problem. We're just going to talk about it and to make sure that you have as much information as possible to ensure that you feel like you're making the best decision for your own health care. I was in practice here in Missoula as a general surgeon, and I was seeing all walks of patients, anybody who needed any surgical care, including breast care. And what I noticed is that when I was going to breast conferences, going to meetings, and talking to other providers in other areas, there was a lot more knowledge still out there that I just didn't have. I elected to go spend a year away from my family, which was hard to do. But I wanted to get as much big city academic information as I possibly could and bring that back home so that I could take great care of my patients who are from everywhere in Western Montana, and they don't have to leave home and go to Spokane or Seattle or Salt Lake for care. I wanted them to be able to receive that big city care here locally. So outside of work, you can usually find me in the mountains or on the river. Most nights I'm hiking with my dogs in the mountains or just in trails close to town. We love going camping on the weekends. I really just like the peace and quiet of, open nature, big, beautiful sky in front of us. And then a lot of the time you'll see me, especially in the summer, fly fishing with my husband and our friends and the dogs in the boat usually too. But we'll go all over Montana and go hit up different rivers and go fly fishing. It's really fun.